So the second possible question in the internal is about the dictionary methods in Python. We have seen previously what are dictionary operations. We can perform addition, updation and deletion into the dictionary. Also we have seen how can we traverse the dictionary element just by using for loop with its key comma value pair. So now we'll see what are dictionary methods. So we have commonly keys, values and items method in dictionary. So how we can access the key elements. So what are the key elements in this dictionary? The dictionary name is student. If you want to access the key element within this, we know it particularly, that is name and ages are the key elements. If we know, like if you want to check by just uh, we just have to take print statement, normal print function, which will print the key for us with its, remember to put parenthesis, because it is a method of the dictionary which will print all the keys of the student. So we'll see here. Then if you want to print here, we'll give one statement, that is yeah, the print statement with the comma values. No, the keys will be printed like this. Then the values, if you want to print the values, we can print it by typing student dot values. And then if we want to check whether the items, like if the items is working within this, if we want to take both the combination of key comma value, then we have the method that is items. Student dictionary name dot keys will return you all the keys. Student dot values will return all the values assigned to its keys. And if you want the combination of both items and keys, values, keys and values, then we have the method that is items. If you want to print it, we can check it just by taking its items method, student dot items. So those things will be printed. Just see this. Yeah, one is keys, dictionary keys, that is name comma age. One is value. Ali and 18 are the corresponding values for keys, name and age. And the items, that is combination of both name comma Ali means key comma value. So the main thing is these are dictionary methods. One is keys, one is items, and one is values, which we can use it for for accessing those key comma value pair, or particularly keys and values. Another thing with the question, we have something called aliasing, giving the name to dictionary. We'll remove this for now. Giving the name in the sense, we have one is student. We have created one dictionary, that is student. If we want to create the same dictionary, we can create another student 2 equals to student, which means the current object means this variable refers to a dictionary object, and the same reference point we are giving to the student 2 variable name. Then if we are trying to change the student's values with its array, if we are changing its age to something else, 19, it will reflect to the student 2, because we have used its aliases, because we have used the same object. See, if you want to print, currently we have changed to the parent student. If you are changing to the student 2, like if you are trying to print the student 2, it will affect the student 2 as well, because we are using the same copy of that student. We just have to save it and check its age will be changed. Previously its age was 18. Now we have used aliasing to change it. Like this is aliasing means two variable refers to the same dictionary object or any object. It has a drawback, where if we are changing the parent dictionary or parent element, for example we have changed here, the same thing will be reflecting to the child, like the copying one. Now we'll remove this. We'll see how can we use proper copy for the dictionary. So that is by using just a normal method of the dictionary, that is dot copy. We'll create a student dot copy, and that will be saved to student 2. And if we are trying to change, this is another method. One was aliasing, this one is copy. If you are trying to change student of age, that will give something else. For example, 20 this time we'll give. And if you are trying to print student 2, it will not reflect because we have used proper copy keyword. Yeah, see here we have changed the original student's keys. We have changed, that is age we have given to, we have updated the values from 18 to 20, and we are just checking. And then we have given to, like, we are checking that whether it will reflect for the student 2 or not. See here, student 2 will not get affected by this. If you're trying to check student, this will affect it because we have changed to student, not student 2. See here, 18, it was original one, and we have created a new one. So in this video I have covered about the dictionary methods. One is keys, one is values, and another one was items. And then I explain about aliasing and copying in two different ways. You have to give the example, so don't forget to give the example, and don't forget to put parenthesis in the methods which you have used in every method. For example, keys parenthesis. For example, another example is was value parenthesis, items parenthesis, and the copy parenthesis. You don't have to forget these things. So we'll see the next question in the next video.